In this lesson, I will explain to you question number 17 of exercise 1.1 linear equations and inequalities. And question we have 15x plus 2 equal to 3 into 4 minus x positive 2 to 1 minus 6x. So see, we do not have any parentheses on the left hand side, so it will remain the same, 15x plus 2. Here we have 3 in front of this parenthesis. So first we have to multiply 4 with 3 and then negative x with 3. 3, 4 times 12, then this negative, and then it will be 3x. Same thing you have to do here, 1 by 1, 2, 1 time 2, minus 2, 6 times 12x. Now we will take all the x on one side and all the constant on the other side. We have only 15x on the left hand side. We have negative 3x here, negative 12x. We will take the transpose, so it will be positive 3x, positive 12x. And on the right hand side, we have these two constants left, will remains the same. But here we have positive 2. We will take the transpose of this positive 2, which is equal to negative 2. So these two will cancel. Only we have 12 on the right hand side. Here is 15x and this 3x and 12x, which is equal to 30x. But we want only 30. So what we have to do, divided by 30 here, divided by 30 here. So this will cancel each other. X is equal to 3, 4 times 12, and then 3, 10 times 30, and then 2 times 4, and 2 5 times. So it is 2 over 5. X is equal to 2 over 5, which is a linear equation. And this is your answer. And thanks for watching.